In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the vidIQ views per hour feature not showing up. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just getting started with YouTube analytics, troubleshooting this issue efficiently is essential. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure the vidIQ extension is installed and updated to the latest version. Having the most recent version is crucial, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements tailored for current YouTube changes. If you're unsure whether your extension is up to date, checking the Chrome Web Store is a good place to start. Ensuring you have the latest version often resolves many issues right off the bat. Next, refresh the YouTube page where you've encountered the problem. This might seem pretty basic, but refreshing can reset any temporary glitches that might be stopping vidIQ from displaying views per hour. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. Now, check that you're logged into vidIQ with the same account linked to your YouTube channel. Having consistent account access across platforms is key for vidIQ to sync properly. If there's a mismatch in accounts, the data retrieval might be blocked or misaligned. Following that, you'll need to open the vidIQ dashboard to ensure your channel is properly connected and authorized. This step confirms that vidIQ has the necessary permissions to access and display your analytics. Head to the dashboard and verify your channel status. If it's not connected, follow the on-screen instructions to rectify this. If you've gone through these initial steps and the issue persists, it's time to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, data stored in your browser can interfere with how extensions like vidIQ interact with websites. After clearing your cache, restart Chrome. This action can provide a clean slate for your browser and extension to communicate smoothly. In the event that the problem continues, consider reinstalling vidIQ from the Chrome Web Store. Sometimes extensions can become corrupted or improperly installed. By reinstalling, you can ensure that you have a fresh and correct setup. Uninstall the current version of vidIQ first, and then proceed with a new installation from the Web Store. Finally, if after all these steps, the views per hour feature still doesn't appear, head over to your vidIQ account dashboard on their website. There, navigate to the Help section and report the issue. It's worth noting that sometimes features may experience delays due to YouTube API updates, which are beyond user control. Reporting the problem allows vidIQ to investigate and potentially fix any issues on their end. And there you have it. These steps should help you get your vidIQ views per hour up and running. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.